Example 2.8. Solve the following system of linear inequalities. Solve the following system of linear inequalities. 3x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 0 and 4x minus 10 is less than or equal to 6. The given two inequalities. Solve the following system of linear inequalities, not equation. So inequalities: 3x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 0, 4x minus 10 is less than or equal to 6. Example 2.8, the given two equations, actually inequalities, to solve x value. So first I will take first equation. 3x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. So transform minus 9 to that side. So 3x is greater than or equal to 9. And next transform 3. So it becomes 9 by 3. Both side divide 3. Both side divide 3. Then both side divide 3. 3 here cancel. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore x is greater than or equal to 3. So this number line la 3. So greater than this side. So equal to also. So here plus infinity minus infinity. So we take 3 also. Equal to that. So 3 to minus infinity plus infinity. Okay. So next equation is 4x minus 10 is less than or equal to 6. Same transform, or both side adding 10, it becomes 4x is less than or equal to 6 plus 10. 4x is less than or equal to 16. Therefore x is both side divide by 4. So x is less than or equal to 4. So this solution is, we take 4 point. So we take 4 also. So minus infinity plus infinity. So here less than or equal to 4. So less than values. So 4 with a less than values this side. So we take minus infinity to plus 4, because 4 is also we include, because inequality is x is less than or equal to there. So we take 4 also. So minus infinity to 4. So from these two solutions we are going to find out the value of x. So show in the, so first number line we have two solutions, 3 4. So first equation minus infinity to, first 3 to infinity. So 3 to infinity, this is a 3 to infinity value. Next minus infinity to 4, minus infinity to 4. So this side minus infinity to 4. So intersecting area is the required solution. So both solutions are coincide this area, therefore this is the solution 3 4. Okay, repeat in a number line. Here minus infinity plus infinity. First points 3 4, then first solution is 3 to plus infinity, 3 to plus infinity. Next minus infinity to plus 4, minus infinity to plus 4. Okay, this is a two solution intersect point. So therefore the solution is 3 4. The solution is 3 comma 4. That's why I give a intersection of 3 to infinity and minus infinity comma 4 is 3 comma 4. Therefore the required solution is 3 comma 4. I repeat, the first inequality 3x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. Then 3x is greater than or equal to 9. So x is greater than or equal to 3. So therefore the solution is 3 comma infinity. I told how to take solution 3. So minus infinity plus infinity. So greater than 3 is this side. So 3லேருந்து 3 விட அதிகமாக இருக்கிற நம்பர்ஸ் வந்து இந்த சைடு தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ அவங்க அதிகமாக இருக்கிற நம்பர்ஸ்னால் எது வரையும் சொல்ல. ஸோ வி டேக் இன்ஃபினிட்டிவ். ஸோ 3 to இன்ஃபினிட்டிவ். ஓகே, லெஸ் than or equal to இருக்கனால வி டேக் 3 ஆல்சோ. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு second inequality 4x minus 10 is less than or equal to 6. So 4x is less than or equal to 6 plus 10. 4x is less than or equal to 16. So next x is less than or equal to 4. So number line எடுத்துட்டு 4 mark பண்ணிட்டு minus infinity plus infinity 4 க்கு ஈக்குவலாக 4 விட கம்மியாக இந்த சைட், this side. Okay, this side. So minus infinity to plus 4. So இது ரெண்டும் coincide ஆகிற பாயிண்ட் தான் சொல்யூஷன். ஸோ minus infinity to plus infinity. So first solution minus infinity to 4, next 3 to plus infinity. So ரெண்டு coincide ஆகிற ஏரியா. So intersection of two points is 3 comma 4. Therefore the required solution is 3 comma 4.